Yuja Wang is a piano virtuoso. She's expressive, fiery, and yet reserved. It's a winning combination, and it manifests profoundly in her music. We asked Yuja when she feels most alive.
There's always a moment that happens on stage that you will never forget. I have musicians breathing, collaborating, communicating with me. I love playing with an orchestra. There's people receiving that kind of energy and the whole flow of things. Sometimes it's just right and it's magical. It's somewhere you just want to be. It's a really cool feeling.
Passion is clearly part of her personality.
Well, I guess we all have passion, and I think everyone is special. So be happy and live in the moment and do things that you really love to do. With music, it's such naked truth. It's straight from the heart. You can't hide anything.
She talked about what Rolex means to her.
It certainly adds the substance and style. I think of Rolex as precision and perfection. It's a perfect combination between science and fashion.
We asked Yuja how it feels to influence an audience with her music.
I hope they can feel something like they went through a great journey. It's a good feeling to feel inspired and also to inspire other people. And of course to kind of carry them to another world with music.